How to make a Paracord Bracelet Valerian. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet, stay tuned, cause tutorial is just around the corner. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna use this brown, sky blue and the grass green Paracord 550. Credit for this bracelet goes to our friend Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the Pavel's Instagram profile link. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, or this 4-strand bracelet core with the one working end, the full tutorials you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box. So that being said, we're gonna start. First, we're gonna take our brown paracord from the right side. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna proceed. Okay, now from here we're gonna take our brown paracord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle, so into the gap between second and the third core strand, and we're gonna pass it to the side, so on top of the right side first two core strands and under the left side core strands, like so. Now we're gonna take our sky blue and we're gonna insert it from the top to the back, and we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side, and then we're gonna pass it under this sky blue, like so, and pull it to the right side. Now we're gonna take our grass green paracord and we're gonna place it next to this first strand core, then we're gonna go under, so from behind, and now we're gonna pass it from the back through the same gap, so through the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side, so pass it from the back through and pull it under this sky blue as well. From here we're gonna take our brown paracord and once more we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap in the middle and to the side. Now we're gonna take our sky blue from the top into the gap in the middle, and then we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. And from here we're gonna pass it under this sky blue. Now the grass green next to the first core strand from the right side, on top of the brown working end, around it, and then return it from the back again through the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, so through, and now we're gonna pass it under this sky blue paracord. So here we are, we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.